Okay, so I've been wanting to make a video showing how to do one of these 0603 surface mount LEDs. This one's going to be on a Gameboy Advance. We're going to be doing this guy right here, DL2. So it actually is pretty easy, both taking it off and putting the new one on. You see a lot of different techniques online that, in my opinion, make the motherboard look like garbage. Burning it up and ripping stuff up. Here's your technique. You got your pen. We're just gonna get right under the center. Some leverage on that other LED. Just want to get right under there. Now here we go. We're gonna get a little bit of heat. Slowly. Right under it. Can't even see. Alright, she's off. That one was actually the most tricky I've ever done. And hopefully that was caught on camera. See if I can get this in front of the camera. Oh, can't get that one. So you're just wiggling this underneath it while you're getting each side just a little bit more warm, hot, because as you go from side to side, the side you just warmed up will stay able to be pliable. When you go to the other side, it loosens it up and you peel it up more. This needlepoint soldering gun right here, pencil, is not as fine as I'd like it to be, but I've always been able to use this. So here's my next step. We're just going to clean it up. It's not even dirty, but we're just going to take all the solder off. Just take it all off. I just take it with the gun and wipe it away. Everybody has their desoldering irons and all that jazz. I'm not into that. Now, one of the fun parts, take your flux. Just gonna get a little teeny bit. I'm gonna put just a touch there. Just a touch there. Touch on each side. Now we're just gonna heat up the far side. Makes it nice and fresh. So that side's fresh. Now we're going to add some to one side. So just a refresh on one side. We want just a little bubble on this side. So yeah, you can see it in the video. You got your refresh on the one side, your bubble on the other side. Now we're almost there. Got blue. One more in this pack. These LEDs have the letter T on the bottom almost for the polarity. Now I am unsure what is what. So my first one, I just did it both ways until it figured it out. But I do know the top of the T is facing towards that way. That way. So you can see it on here. Yeah, you can see it on there. You got your T, so we're going to be actually flipping this. So we're going to flip it. So then we've got, can you see it now? Barely see it. You got your T facing the other way. I'm going to drop it down on there. This is where all you gotta do. So we'll get our big screwdriver. You're gonna want something to hold it down, something to set it. Set it. Hold it. Oh, we're tipping. Oh, I gotta put something under there. Tipping over here. That'll work. Okay. Check. Polarity's good. Set it. This part can be tough, honestly. It's the hardest part. Oh. It's just setting it. And then getting back with the soldering gun. Oh, you know what I was actually doing the last time? This right here. Because I'm being too shaky. There. That was good. That's literally the hardest part. So that's on there. Now I just gotta dab the other side. We'll be all good. Get closer to this. Let's see. Now, since the one side is on there good, all I'm going to do is that. Come on, refresh. Come on, baby. Is it on there? Yeah, I think it's about perfect. There you go. And that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching, and hope this video turned out good. Have a good day.